Now we go to the defining infrastructure. What is IT infrastructure? Infrastructure is not only the hardware, it's the hardware, software, all the devices, enterprise, business, everything is a IT infrastructure. So it is what it is as Shakir said, it's a set of physical devices. It's a combination of softwares, okay, to operate what? To operate your business. Enterprise means the business. So when your software and hardware is running your business, we call as IT infrastructure over there. So in other words, we can say that a set of firm wide services include like computing platform providing computing services over there, right? Physical facilities managed services over there, IT management over there, education and other services over there, right? Sometimes they your IT infrastructure give many services over there, right? So like physical services, IT management, education and other services. So so there is also service platform. Service platform means personally it doesn't do anything, but it provides services to the other people. Okay, more accurate view of the value of investment over there. Sometimes you don't need hardware and software, you just need a service. So you can request like a company, for example like a Google company, that I need a service for to open a business over there. So they have a business component over there. They will charge you a few dollars over there, and they will provide you each and everything which you needed. Okay, so in that case they will provide you a service over there, right? Similarly, other IBM, they also give you cloud service over there, for example, especially for those who are programmers and they don't want to install the programming languages because sometimes it's heavy on their computer. So what they do it, they buy a license for it. So they buy a license, they use it as per they need it. So when the use is finished, they don't need to renew the license over there. So this is one of the way that how they are working over there, right? So that is called service platform. Okay, you can also make your own service platform and give services to the customer. By this way you can earn money by licensing. So you make a service and advertise it, and people will buy licensing from you. So you can give them username and password and they can use it. So by this way, this is a new paradigm that how to make a service platform. Just like Kareem is a service, Uber is a service over there, and there are a lot of services available in the world. Google provides many services, business modules over there, and different kinds of modules over there. Like Alibaba.com, they are providing services for businesses, for B2C, for C2B, C2C, and Amazon as well. So a lot of platforms are there, service platforms are there for you.